It's feeding time. 5 baby birds. The mom's getting their food. Where's she at? She's getting bugs. She keeps going back and forth. Hopefully she doesn't see me. There she is. It's din time. Cute swallow birds. I'm so glad there are 5 eggs and 5 hatched. Last year, not all of them hatched. They do this all day. They look, and then if they need to go to the bathroom, they'll move to the right, turn around and poop. And we put a plant down there so they could poop on the plant. I'm videoing inside because when I go out there, she'll stop feeding them. Yeah, they're looking. See that darker brown on the top of the nest? That's new. The bottom of the nest was made last year. So this year they doubled it. So it's very challenging to video a close-up in the nest. I don't know why you don't like watching. That was fast. Well, why don't you like watching them? Huh? Rose, why don't you like watching the birds in the window?